Hello everyone, welcome back to Tenure Bioscience. Today's topic is Cori cycle. So we know that during heavy exercise, our oxygen supply becomes inadequate, correct? So in that process, an excess of lactic acid accumulates in the muscle fibers, which then diffuses into the bloodstream. As you can see in this picture, the boy is running, so it is doing heavy exercise. So in the muscle, the anaerobic glycolysis happens, and from glucose it forms the pyruvic acid. Then from pyruvic acid it will form the lactate. So the lactate accumulation occurs in the muscle fibers due to heavy exercise. Then this lactate is diffuses into the bloodstream to the liver. Then it forms the pyruvic acid, and in turn by the process of gluconeogenesis it produces the glucose. So the pyruvate produced by glycolysis in muscle is converted to lactate again by the lactate dehydrogenase. So a considerable amount of blood lactate is utilized by the tissues. Major part of the blood lactate is taken by the liver, and as you can see it is converted to pyruvic acid, then to glucose, and then it is released back into the bloodstream into and reaches the skeletal muscle and the brain. So in the muscle the glucose is converted to glycogen by the process of glycogenesis, and in this process the muscle gains back its depleted glycogen store. So the liver and the muscle help each other to organize a bigger cycle that is called the lactic acid cycle. So this cycle, where it is starting, it starts with the muscle glycogen. The muscle glycogen it produce glucose, then pyruvic acid, then lactate. So the lactate then diffuses to the bloodstream, then it produces the pyruvic acid and the liver glucose. Then the liver glucose it diffuses into the blood, then in the muscle it again produces the glycogen. So this is all about the Cori cycle. This is also called as lactic acid cycle, as this is the accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles, and you can say the Cori cycle is the link between the gluconeogenesis and the anaerobic glycolysis. As you can see, first in the muscle the lactate it produces, that is the anaerobic glycolysis, in then the lactate diffuses to the bloodstream, then to the liver, and produce the glucose by the process of gluconeogenesis. Then that glucose is again diffuse back to the muscle to produce the glycogen, so that it can get the depleted oxygen. So this is all about the Cori cycle. I hope it will help you. Thank you.